to do this. Just a second. Are we on a level ground? No. There's no point checking your oil if you're on a hill like that. So we need to be on a relatively level ground, yeah? And we stopped enough, you know, for the engine oil to go back down to the sun, which is the bottom of the engine. Yeah? You near enough? So, what I'm going to tell you now is, you're going to pull the dipstick out, and what you're going to do? You're going to wipe it off. Then you're going to hold the dipstick up in the air and go, oh yeah, that's fine. Okay, then you're going to what? And then you're going to go, oh yeah, that's fine.
So what it means?
No. How are you going to read it? What's going to happen to that oil is going to run down the dipstick and you're going to say it's full when it's empty. Yeah?
Do we have a first go for it?
When you pull the dipstick out, you pull the dipstick with the handle upwards, pointing downwards, so that the reading is correct. Yeah? Have a go. Show me what to do.
All the way. Yes,
Pull it out now. Pull the dipstick. That's it. Pull it upwards like that. Can you read that now? Yeah, halfway. Halfway? Fine? So we're happy with halfway? It's between the minimum and maximum, isn't it? Yeah? You got tyre depth gauges there, yeah?
Yep.
Legal requirements of a tyre depth on a car.
1.6 millimetres.
Nice one, 1.6 mil. Is it going to be 1.6 mil across it, all the way around it, or can some of it be 1 mil or?
All the way around for 3/4 to the centre. Yeah.
Okay. The legal wording is 1.6 millimetre across the centre 3/4 around the whole complete circumference of the tyre. Yeah? What that means is if you can measure the centre 3/4, what that means is you can have a bald section on there and a bald section on there. And as long as you've got 1.6 mil along that centre 3/4, then it's legal. Yeah? Measure that one for me, Kat.